You attack the box, that's fine.
What are you doing now? Hey? What are you doing? Stitch, where are you going? Good girl. Oh, on Mummy's hand. Yes. There you go.
Little bitch.
There you go. Come on, you. Come on, Stitch. Ah, good girl. Ah, good girl. Oh,
Here you go.
there you go. Yeah. Clever girl. Yeah, clever girl.
She must produce some eggs again, baby. She's
Clever.
got her bald eggy patch on the chest again.
Yeah. You clever girl. Yeah, you clever girl.
Standing on Mummy's hand. Clever. Ever try again? Come on then. Leave my hand there, yeah? So when she comes back, she might get back on. That's good progress, actually, yeah, when she's out like that.
Yeah.
Come on then. Come in.
Yeah, that bald patch is there. It's
Her eggy patch, I call it.
yeah.
Oops.
TK.
And try from here.
On Mummy's hand.
It's because you're stuck up there now, isn't it? Because you don't like the fat poles on your cage.
Yeah.
Because you can't hold them because your feeties are only little, aren't they?
But they're not. They're massive. Size 12s.
Come on then. Come on, don't be shy.
She likes going behind there to the stereo for some reason.
Come on, careful.
Yeah, she's wanting to go down to the stereo.
Come on. You're not going down there. Mummy will come and chase you out again.
I don't know why.
Mummy will come and chase you out. Look at your baldy patch.
Right, she's going now.